So every now and then, I kind of come to an impasse because I'm looking at products that are launching and I think to myself, this is pathetic, this has been done, this is boring. And so I started looking a little bit further afield to see if there's something interesting that I might be able to share with you that's actually going to be of genuine value to you. And today I actually went out and bought a product which I am super excited about because it's a way to make real money and do something real. And it's still going to be the same as a part-time job, like, with traditional make money online. But the difference is this doesn't have to do with worrying about whether or not you're going to be able to make sales and get traffic or whatever else. It's completely different. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of paying social media jobs. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Now, if you are new to the channel, and by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. My jokes can be as stale as well. Me talking about Raymond Reddington. He's still on the air, by the way. I'm catching up with the Blacklist. I'm currently rewatching season 6. I didn't catch season 8 because I didn't realize it was going on because of the pandemic. So don't tell me what happens, by the way. I've heard some rumors, but I don't want to hear the spoilers. I want to actually see for myself. But anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, really, Bart? Really? I haven't seen you in ages, and this is how you come back? You start with the crap thing again? Really? That guy is incorrigible. I haven't seen him in a long time. Yeah, you know that, right? And somehow he shows up again. Go figure. If you are new to the channel, the way things work, if I like it, but I will give it to Matt to product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she used to be a fellow New Yorker. I now live in a small town in Western Pennsylvania. I love it here. This is such a beautiful town. I am very excited about being here. But you know what? What the heck? She's still a fellow New Yorker. I'm a former New Yorker. We can get along, right? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking at the sales page right now for paying social media jobs. Now, this is a really interesting thing. It's very, very different from what I usually tell you about. So first of all, when you visit, you're going to be presented with a job quiz. It's basically going to ask you questions about the type of money you want to be earning. And based on that, I'll actually recommend the kind of stuff that you should be doing. Now, ultimately, it is going to be a paid membership and I'll show you why it's a paid membership. Actually, there's a real value to it. I also have a cool bonus for you, by the way, with this. And I bought this, by the way. I'm going to show you my receipt in just a second as well, and how to get an extra $10 off, by the way. But anyhow, so basically the idea here is like this. They're going to train you to basically post on things like Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that, and make money doing it. Now, this isn't, oh yeah, go post to your friends on Facebook and make money by hoping that they buy something. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, maybe it worked once upon a time, like 20 years ago, when these things were brand new, but today it does not work. It's really, really difficult to make money simply by promoting to your friends and family. Instead, these actually show you how to make guaranteed income. Yeah, guaranteed income, not, playing around like, oh yeah, well, whatever, hopefully maybe somebody will click my link and I'll get $10. Now, this is like real money that actually pay real money per hour to actually do this kind of stuff to make money. I'm going to show you how it works in just a second. First, let me tell you about my custom bonus. Now, this is on ClickBank, by the way. So in order to get the bonus, basically what you're going to do is you're going to send an email to support at maninthehat.pro with your receipt to request the bonus, because we don't get, there's no way of adding a bonus in the back end like there is with Warrior Plus, unfortunately. It's one of the reasons I don't like ClickBank, is because it's a bit more work for my support staff. They have to actually manually email out the bonuses to you. But basically, what I'm going to use like this. Basically, the idea is you're going to learn how to promote businesses on social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And then they're going to show you where you can actually get paying jobs doing this, like actual paid jobs, not the usual make money online stuff where it's like, hopefully you drive some traffic and maybe somebody clicks a link and maybe they buy something from you for $7 and you get like $6 in, no, it's not like that. This is actual paying work where you're going to be paid $50 an hour, even $100 an hour. And they scour like whole different listings and actually pick out the listings that are appropriate for your particular needs. It's really, really cool. So in order to help you out with that, what I'm giving you is my custom Rolodex, which is actually going to show you how to find all kinds of content that you can use for free in order to promote these social media things. Plus, I'm also going to give you a Local Video Jackpot, which you may already have because I've given it away quite a bit, but I'm also going to give it to you together with additional explainer videos. Now, why am I doing that? Because basically, you're going to be working with actual real businesses, and I want to give you a leg up with over everybody else. So basically, in addition to the 10 packages that come with the basic Local Video Jackpot, I'm also going to give you another 10 that I've created that are not saturated. And you're going to be able to give away a free video explainer video to potential customers as a way of standing out from the crowd. Because basically what you want to do, you want to stand out from the crowd. And in order to make sure you stand out from the crowd, I'm going to give you my course on offer versus commodity. This is probably the most powerful course I've ever created, where I teach you how to stand out from the crowd so you can actually get these projects and start making real money. And these are jobs that pay real money. Okay, now I'm going to show you the members area, but first I want to show you, I actually just bought this myself. You can see right here. In order to get this deal, basically once it presents you with the offer, try to exit, and it's going to offer you a deal to get it for $17. That's what I paid for this. I actually did get this actual product. You can see here, this is my receipt. This is my actual email, my personal email that I use. And you can see I actually did buy this actual product. Okay, now, this is the members area. So yes, there's a couple of upgrades. You can buy the upgrades, not buy the upgrades, whatever. What I really like is here. First of all, they give you a full training where they actually teach you exactly what you need to know in order to be able to build, sorry, my phone was beeping, in order to build yourself up doing this social media stuff. They actually show you the whole thing step by step by step. Okay, now this is just standard affiliate stuff where you make money from TV Zoom and Warrior Plus and all that kind of stuff, but this is the stuff that's really good. And what's really cool about this, they're actually going to show you the actual job offers. Okay, that was just like, that blew my mind when I saw this. You know, you actually get to see, I'm not sure where it is right now, 1 second. Here's the social media job database. They're actually going to show you the actual jobs. They're going to scour the listings specifically based on the quiz that you took. They're going to show you what's available and show you how to apply for these things. Okay, you can actually go and see when they were posted, go and request it, and it's working for real businesses and making real money, as opposed to the usual stuff where you're basically going to be going like, you know, I hope that maybe somebody will click my link and I hope somebody will decide to buy and I'll make myself $7. Okay, this is like real money right away. You can actually start making money before Christmas. You know, I'm recording this on December 10th. You can actually start making real money before Christmas. So let's and again, you know, this is all real stuff, and it actually does the searching for you. You don't have to go out there, because I've done this before when I was looking for a job. Okay, and I can tell you, when I look for a job, very often you're going to get a lot of crap that has nothing to do with what you want. Okay, you go to like Indeed.com and you're going to be sitting there searching and searching and searching. And a lot of these things are just not appropriate. This is designed to specifically laser target the projects that you can actually make money from based on the training that you're getting with this program, and based, of course, on my own bonus that you're getting from me with, my custom rolodex, along with local video jackpots. So you're actually going to have a leg up on everybody else who buys this from somebody else, because you're actually going to be able to go to these businesses and say, hey, you know what? I can actually give you an explainer video. I actually know where to get free content. You're not going to have to pay for content, because a lot of these people, I'm going to go to them and say, okay, let's go to Getty Images, and it's going to cost you $200 for a single image. And then you're like, but I'm already paying you. Why are you asking me to spend? Well, we got to get the images that we're going to post. I'm going to show you how to get all that for free. Okay, that's the power of what you're going to get from me when you pick this up from me, as opposed to picking it up from somebody else. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip as the product creator or not.
I tip my hat to you.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. I really like this. And that's why I actually bought this for myself, because you know what? My business, to be perfectly honest, takes me about an hour a day to do. Okay, I really don't spend that much time doing it. So if I can find something else I can do for an hour a day and make another $50, $100 an hour, hey, why not? Extra cash in my pocket. Price of gas is going up. I mean, I have a luxury car, and so I have to put in, the premium gas. I went to the pump the other day, and I gotta tell you, I was shocked when I was paying over $4 a gallon for gas, because I had to go with a premium luxury car, and it has to have premium gas. Look, it's not that I can't afford it. It's just like I feel like I'm being ripped off because of the fact that I wanted to drive a nicer car, with like the fancy leather seats and a sporty look and all that kind of stuff. I drive an Infiniti, by the way. It's the luxury brand of Nissan, if you're not familiar. A very, very, very fun car to drive, though. And I can tell you, by the way, it's a fun car to drive, because when we came back here to my small town, I was in New York City, as regular as the towns know. I rented a car rather than put wear and tear on my own car. Actually, I flew back to New York, and we were going to fly back here to Pennsylvania. We had 3 cats. It turns out the TSA requires that you take the cats out of the carrier and carry them through security. And I was like, that is not happening. So we actually rented a car, and I wasn't going to drive back anyway, even if I felt like driving back, because frankly, I didn't want to put wear and tear on my nice luxury car. Okay, it's it's an expensive car, and I wanted it to look nice and to stay nice. And frankly, New York City is the perfect place to get dinged up and whatever else. And so I didn't want to do that. But anyhow, bottom line, I rented a car. I ordered a full-size sedan. They gave me an economy crappy piece of garbage. And I gotta tell you, after the experience of driving that thing for 8.5 hours coming back home here to Pennsylvania, I learned to appreciate my luxury vehicle. But at the same time, hey, it's expensive, man. It's $4.10 a gallon or something like that to fill up my luxury vehicle. The piece of crap that I rented was only $3.50 a gallon to fill it up, because I didn't have to put in luxury gas. But you know what? You want luxury, you pay for luxury, and it does show. But anyhow, I'm kind of digressing. Bottom line, pick this up. I picked it up. It's great. You're going to love it.